we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this cocktail. We're going to be looking at how to say more names of different cocktails and different liquors as well, wine names. Stay tuned until the end of the video and subscribe to the channel to learn more. Alright, so that's a mojito without alcohol, so virgin, meaning it doesn't have alcohol. And then the Spanish name of the cocktail, Mexican, mojito, mojito. So you have this h sound from the Spanish J. If you cannot pronounce it, you can replace it with an H sound from English, mojito, mojito, virgin mojito, or for a more genuinely Spanish pronunciation, virgin mojito. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. Here are those videos that I was telling you about for more pronunciation. Sorry, my voice is going. Too many videos I'm making. See you there. Thanks.